To discuss today's court proceeding is Andrew Lieb, Long Island attorney and managing partner of the firm Lieb at Law. Good morning, Andrew. How are you?
Good morning.
So do you expect this to be a procedural hearing today? Heuermann's already been charged and arraigned. So what comes next? Take us through the process today.
Yeah, last month he was arraigned. He pled not guilty, but the judge kept him. The judge kept him in court, and he said, you know what, we're not going to release you because you're a danger. And he cried out, Heuermann, that he didn't do this, but it doesn't matter. The judge kept him. Today is more likely a procedural hearing, but we could always have a surprise. This week they finished up their investigation of the house. They saw 279 guns in an underground vault. We could always see a superseding indictment, meaning adding more charges. Right now, we have 3 murders in the first degree, 3 murders in the second degree. Those first degrees are so important because that makes it a serial case, meaning they could try them all together at once. But today's going to be really procedural. I bet Ray Tierney, the DA, he's prosecuting himself. It's going to be interesting. Hopefully, we'll get a glimpse of him in the courtroom and seeing his magic.
Now, after his arrest, investigators searched Heuermann's home and removed possible evidence. Do you think that prosecutors are looking to expand the case or building upon what they already have?
I think both is the answer, Cindy. You see, they've only found and identified 3 of the bodies they're linking to Rex. But to bring you back to 2010 in Gilgo, I remember it well, there was 10 bodies approximately there. And they're already a suspect of 1 additional body. So it's very likely they add more counts as they charge more. They did dig up his backyard. We found nothing. That's what we're learning from the backyard. But that doesn't mean there's not going to be a superseding indictment with more charges. But I'm guessing they're always beefing up their case. They're always looking for more ways. You don't bring someone to court and then stop. It's the start of pounding on the evidence and trying to make your case, Cindy.
Is there any chance he makes bail?
Oh, I would highly, highly, highly doubt it, particularly from that last package when we're hearing about his wife and his kids. A big part of bail is that you have family in the community that's going to want you back, and they're terrified right now. I could not see a world where he makes bail, Chris.
Does it also go into the fact that his family had allegedly had no idea that he had this parallel life?
100%. And again, the fact that he has these 2 kids at home, it's a danger for the kids. The judge always says to himself, this is something you have to remember. If I make a bad decision, is my picture going to be on the front page of the newspaper? And Judge Ambrose, who's the judge here, doesn't want to make a mistake. And there's danger with little kids. There's kids there. There's this wife that's saying there's nothing. And this is really serious. Like, we're talking about the Gilgo murderer, the Long Island serial killer. So I don't see him making bail in any stretch of the imagination.
Can you remember a case that's generated as much attention as the Gilgo Beach murders case?
Definitely not in our region. You know, you watch enough TV, you see enough of these types of things. It feels like a real Law and Order episode, to be honest with you. But in our region, everyone knows in the 2000s and on, this Gilgo Beach, you're driving on Ocean Parkway, and you're saying to yourself, I hope I don't run out of gas. I hope I don't run out of gas. So it's always in the back of everyone's mind, and it's a terrifying thing for us all. We're happy that they're bringing someone to justice. Hopefully they got the right guy, and hopefully if they did, that they end up getting a conviction.
Still incredible news, though, a couple of weeks ago when it was broken that they did have a suspect finally after all these years. Long Island attorney Andrew Lieb. Andrew, thanks so much for talking with us. Good to see you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, stay with CBS New York as we continue to cover this developing story. We'll have updates for you all day here on CBS News New York.